हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। दिस इज साइलेंट व्लॉग्स। और आज एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज आप लोगों के सामने लाने वाला हूं और एक डेमो वीडियो होगा बेसिकली अपर एंटीरियर टूथ का आरसीटी और प्रीमोलर टूथ का आरसीटी में। ये जो दिस आरसीटी इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सेस ओपनिंग एंड व्हाट फाइल सिस्टम यू कैन यूज एंड व्हाट इज द स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर। Here I have only shown till BMP. I have not showed the obturation part. So you have to bear with me because while giving demo, it is very difficult to talk also. And in this video, I am using two system files and one endomotor. What file system I am using? I am using K file. I am using ProTaper files. I am using NeoEndo file, Path file, and I am using Woodpecker files. So I am telling with the video what file initially, what is the steps, what is the procedure, everything I will tell you, and I will show you the access opening as clearly as possible. जितना हो सकता है मैंने ट्राई किया है। तो let's continue with the video and let's see the demo. तो हे गाइस, तो आज मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाला हूँ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन फॉर रूट कैनाल इन अपर एंटीरियर टूथ जो कि सिंगल रूटेड है। और मैंने देखिए अपर एंटीरियर टूथ लिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी। तो मैंने इसको माउंट नहीं किया है ताकि आप लोगों को थोड़ा समझने में इजी हो। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये लेबल सरफेस है टूथ का और ये है पैलेटल सरफेस। तो एक्सेस ओपनिंग कैसे करेंगे, कैसे हम इसका वर्किंग लेंथ डिटरमाइन करेंगे, ये सब चीज़ें मैं बताऊंगा। और कैसे हम हैंड प्रोटेपर यूज़ कर सकते हैं और किस तरीके से हम रोटरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वो चीज़ मैं आज आपको बताने वाला हूँ। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्सेस ओपनिंग। सो हाउ वी हैव टू डू द एक्सेस ओपनिंग। जब भी हम देखिए, जब हम टूथ के अंदर करते हैं और पेशेंट को मुंह में करते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है। और ये फ्रेश टूथ है, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई भी पहले से कुछ नहीं किया हुआ है इसमें। तो ये है आपका सिंगुलम के जस्ट ऊपर में यू हैव टू मेक अ डिच, अ स्मॉल पंच होल, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन डू द एक्सेस ओपनिंग द टूथ। तो इनिशियल स्टार्टिंग के लिए आप थोड़ा सा हल्का सा पंच लगाए। देखिए मैं स्टार्ट कर दिया हूँ ऑलरेडी। तो हल्का सा आपको पंच लगाना है, देन यू स्टॉप। सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज you have to take this file. This is K file number 10. You can also use a K file number 8. Then you have to see whether there is the access opening has been done or not. Okay, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके। अब देखिए पहले ही आप बहुत डीप करेंगे तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, ये जो आप एक्सेस ओपनिंग करते हैं ये लेबियल साइड से इसका आपका बर निकल सकता है। तो जस्ट मेक अ स्मॉल डिच और देन सी नो इट्स नॉट हैपन टिल नाउ। तो यू हैव टू डीपन द होल अ लिटिल बिट मोर। सो ये देखिए मैंने फोकस कर दिया है इसे। देन यू कैन सी हियर अगेन आई एम गोइंग लिटिल बिट डीपर। तो ऐसे करके स्लोली आप अब देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक डिच थोड़ा डीप बना दिया है, आपको दिख ही रहा होगा। तो ये करने के बाद आप दोबारा से फाइल लेंगे एंड उसके पहले आप 3-वे सिरिंज से इसको थोड़ा पानी को क्लीन करेंगे पेशेंट के माउथ के अंदर। देन यू कैन सी हियर आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग माई के फाइल एंड ये थोड़ा सा अटक रहा है। तो दैट मीन्स आई हैव रीच्ड द पल्प चैम्बर, कोरोनल पल्प चैम्बर। एंड so you can see here now the angle, it's not straight, right? So if you try to do the access opening in this angle, you will get perforation or ledge formation. So what you have to do is you have to remove the superficial enamel and dentine which is present above your punch hole. Then how will you do it? Just take your burr and just remove the upper part. As you can see here, you can see. So I am removing the superficial enamel and dentine part. See, I am doing it like this because I have been doing on many patients. So you have to be much slower in approach. पहले जब करेंगे बिल्कुल स्लो करें, एक एक स्टेप देख के करें। तो you can see here मैंने थोड़ा सा रिमूव कर दिया। Now you can see this opening has widened and now I will try to insert my K file which is of number 10. So I will show you both in the ProTaper and as well as the endomotor as well. So now I am trying to insert the file. Now see, it is going inside. And how you have to insert it? You have to insert in a watch winding motion. Watch winding motion. See my fingers. This is watch winding motion. This is watch winding motion. So approximately the canal length will be around. I have not covered it because so that you can guys see more clearly how the file works and all. So this is the cave file which has entered. Now we'll check the working length. Okay, now working length you have to measure by taking the IOPA, and then you can also use an apex divider. But here, since I am able to see the apex directly, I will see the working length. So the working length of this tooth is around 21.5 mm. So it's very easy to do the excess opening. Now you can see the angulations also. Angulations will be, see, the angulation is almost parallel. Initially it was going like this, but now it is at more straight. Okay, so you have to create a straight line access. Now this coronal part I have to enlarge, this coronal part. Okay, so how will you do with a pro taper? So these are used files. So this is a SX file of the pro taper. So you can use like this and just rotate it 3/4 and return 1/4. Like that you have to rotate and then pull. Like that you have to rotate and then pull. You should not insert it fully inside. Okay, this is the SX file of the pro taper. SX file. So you can see here I am just rotating it 3/4, turning 1/4, then back. So that will take out the superficial debris, dentinal debris which is present. So rotate, anti-clockwise, take back. So whenever you are using your pro taper file, you should try to break it before inserting into the canal like this. Okay. So if the file is going to break, ठीक है, वो पहले ही टूट जाएगा. Then you insert it. Then one very most important aspect is that you have to irrigate the canal after every use. Insertion of your file. So just irrigate. I am using just water here to irrigate with a normal syringe. So after irrigating, now your canal is free of debris, and actually use saline. After that, sodium hypochlorite and 5% sodium hypochlorite. So after irrigating, now either you can use, if you are using a pro taper, then you have to set the length of the pro taper of the next file till 22.5. So I am using this. See, I am 21.5 was the working length. I have fixed it. Now again I am gonna use it like this. So how I have to use the pro taper file? I am going to extend it till my working length. So initially your file will not go inside properly. So you have to enlarge it with time, and properly you have to enlarge it. As you can see, it's not going till the apex. So that means your canal is not ready for the S1 shaping file. So again you irrigate it, then again you use this K file number 10. So you can use the K file till number 20 for your initial beginning. So 20 करने के बाद then you start using your pro taper. So मैंने initially इसी में घुसा दिया, तो फिर ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा बन जाएगा, इसलिए you can use it. Now if you want to use the endomotor, so this is the endomotor I am having, and initially you can use a path file. So this is a path file which is 2% 10, and I am setting it to 21.5. Then this is the torque which I have given. So 150 revolutions per minute plus 1 NCM torque. Okay, so this is the endomotor I am using. Now I am going to insert it till 21.5 mm. So initially you have to give less torque so that the file doesn't get engaged and it doesn't break. So though see, it's easily going since it's a 2% file. after using, again you have to irrigate with saline. Then similar thing if you want to use a pro taper, you have to use this S1 file. How is the rotation of the S1 file? You have to rotate it 3/4 clockwise and 1/4 anti-clockwise and then pull. So after every use you have to do the irrigation with saline. So after preparing till your S1 file, next comes the S2 file. So this file is already used. I am just showing you in the pro taper how you have to use. I am not going to the working length. So this is the S2 file. You have to reach 21.5 mm till here. Then you can use it in similar fashion. This is the S2. Okay, S1, S2. Then you have the finishing file. This is the F1. Okay, finishing one. So I would recommend to go till F2. This is F1. F2 means this is similar file with 6% 25. This is, what is the taper in this? 6% 20. This is 6% 20. So now in the endo motor, after using this file which is 2% 10, I like to use 4% 17 number file, which is this white color. So this is how I am fixing it. If you are not able to understand what is 2%, 4%, 6%, you can go and watch my video. Okay. So now I am using this. So I am setting it to 21.5 first. So this is the endo block. You can see. I guess this camera is doing justice or not. So till 21.5. So I'll set the camera a little bit towards this side. Yeah. Now you can see here I'm setting it till 21.5. Then I am putting it inside my tooth. So doing with the endo motor is much easier as compared to other things, hand files, because but before starting RCT you should initially do with hand pro taper only. Then only you can excel in endodontics, rotary endodontics. So giving demo and talking at the same time is quite very difficult. So maybe my voice is breaking late. So yeah, this canal is prepared. Now again I will irrigate with saline. So I have thought of giving few other demonstrations. I am planning to give a demonstration on a premolar access opening also today, if I find time. So I have irrigated now. Now I'll just prepare. Now this canal is already prepared till 4% 17. After that I am going to prepare it till 4% 20. So you can see here this canal. This is 4% 25. I am just inserting it. 4% 20 prepared. इतना ही यूज करना होता है, ज़्यादा फाइल घुमाना नहीं है अंदर. Then after irrigation, I am just showing you fast because I have to end this video also. So this is another one. Then again I prepared till 4% 25. This is 4% 25. So easily it's going very smoothly. Now you can increase the RPM also. I have already set the RPM to 300 RPM and 1.5 nanocentimeter torque. So I have increased the RPM. So this one is prepared. Now again do the irrigation. Then now last step, I am going to increase the taper of the canal to 6% 20. अब ये 6% 20 फाइल में लगा रहा हूँ. मैं बताता हूँ कैसे पहचानते हैं इसको. इसका मैंने एक अलग वीडियो बनाया है. तो ये है 6% 20 फाइल. You can see here 6% 20. वर्किंग लेंथ मैं सेट कर लिया हूँ 21 तक ऑलरेडी। सो ये 6% 20 में देखिए 2 येलो है, ऐसे एक के बाद एक येलो है, दिख रहा है आपको, 2 येलो स्कार्स एंड दिस फाइल इज लिटिल बिट थिकर। सो आई यूज इट नाउ। 1 2 3. So you can see the dentin debris which is found here. You have to clean it like this. Sorry. Now again I irrigate it. Now this canal is prepared. Okay. So this is the BMP. Now I will show you another tooth, the access opening in a premolar. So premolar ka, there are upper premolar, it has 2 roots, as you can see, upper first premolar. So you can see 2 roots. So here you can see there is the buccal cusp, this is the palatal cusp. Now you have to reduce the cusp height initially. So just reduce the cusp height a little bit. So how you will find the canals here? Buccopalatally. So just make a punch hole inside. Oh, the compressor start हो गया। So now I am preparing the canal with 6% 20 to widen the orifice. So see here, this is the buccal canal and this is the palatal canal. I hope you are able to appreciate it. So this is the buccal one and this is the palatal one. Which one is the buccal one? This one is the buccal canal, this is the palatal canal. So we'll do the BMP in some other video.